Gente, hoje o vídeo vai ser em inglês, mas tem legenda durante todo o vídeo em português, tá bom? Hey guys, so today I'm doing something I've been intending to do for a long time now. I'm going to try to speak Gaelic, Scottish Gaelic, and the Scottish accent. I don't know, I think it's so cute. And I'm not trying to offend anyone, I just really like watching this kind of videos. I think they're really funny and really interesting. So the reason why I decided to do this video is because I really love Outlander. I just love it. And in the show, they speak with this Scottish accent that I fell in love with. I've always thought that Scottish accent was cute, but I never really had the opportunity to listen all the time, you know what I mean? And with Outlander, it's possible to hear with every season, with every episode. I've never heard how Gaelic sounded, and there are scenes from Outlander that they speak in Gaelic, and oh my god, it's such a beautiful language. By the way, I'm not used to do videos in English, so if I say something wrong, I'm sorry. So every video that people try to speak another language, they go to a translation app and just listen to it and try to say it. But with Scottish Gaelic, it was impossible. I can't find an app that translate to Gaelic. I mean, with Google Translator, they translate like in a written way, but they don't have the audio. So how am I supposed to repeat it? You know? What I'm gonna do is I found some videos on YouTube with people teaching some words in Gaelic. So I'm gonna hear it and try to repeat it. I'll put the link of this videos down below in the description box so you can check them out. So here we go. Okay, so the sentence I'm gonna try is I don't speak Gaelic, but I would like to learn.
Chanil Gaelic Akam.
Chanil Gaelic Gladym as the Musavic. What? That was so fast. I don't have Gaelic.
Chanil Gaelic Akam.
Chanil Gaelic Achman.
Oh my god, I'm so bad at it.
Ach Bevalium
Ach Bevalium
Yusachim.
Yusachim. Oh my god, I'm butchering this language. I'm so sorry if you're a native speaker. Oh man, this is so bad.
Slanche is Talibushke Bear.
Slanchit. Slanch is just kaber.
Slanche
Slanche.
is Talibushke Bear.
Istadium ushka bech. Oh, it means cheers. Oh, I forgot to say. This means cheers. I like whiskey. Okay.
Slanche
Slanche. Okay, slanche. Slanche.
is
Istalium
Ushke Bear.
ushke bech. Okay. That wasn't so bad, right?
Slanche
Slanche.
Talibushke Bear.
Istalium ushka bech. Okay, let's do another one. That's so fun. Okay, so now I'm gonna try to say, how are you?
Give it a how.
Give it a how.
Tollige. What have you done with Castro do?
What? Oh, it means how are you? I'm happy because I'm going to, oh my god, how to say that? Dune Castle? Oh, I would be happy to go to a castle. That's so true. I've never been to a castle. We don't have castles in Brazil, like you do in Europe.
Kemer.
Kemer. Ahahu? What?
Hami Tollige.
Hamitology. Or
Hamido.
Hamido.
Castro.
Hukashel.
And do.
and Dune. Man, I love this language. It's so cool. I can really speak it, but that's cool. Let's try to say the name of the colors.
Gel.
Gel,
Buye.
Buye,
Orange.
Orange,
Jarak.
Jarak,
Purpi.
Purpi,
Lia.
Lia,
Doram.
Garam,
Wanya.
Wanya,
Down.
Down,
Do.
Do. Okay, that's pretty cool. Okay, let's learn how to say feelings.
Hami Ski.
Hamiski. I'm tired.
Hami Brono.
Ami bronach. I'm sad.
Hami Tollige.
Hami taliche. Oh, taliche. We've seen this word, right? Taliche, to go to the castle, right?
Fur.
Hami fur. I'm cold.
Hey.
What?
Hami Che.
Hami chi. I'm hot.
Hami Mor.
Hami more.
Hammy big.
Hammy big. I'm small. Okay. That's cool. Numbers. Okay, numbers. Numbers 1 to 10.
In.
In.
Ja.
Ja.
3.
3.
Kehig.
Kegig.
Koik.
Koig.
Shia.
Shia.
Shach.
Sjerk.
Och.
Och.
Nu.
Nu.
J.
J. It's so weird because the sound of CH for you is you know, it comes from the throat. And for us here in Brazil, the sound of CH is sh, you know? Like we would say in Portuguese, this is boring. Boring, we say chato. Isso é chato. So this is really confusing. But it's pretty cool. Greetings. Let's learn greetings. Good morning.
Martin va.
Mazunda.
Ten. Va.
Va? There's no V. What?
Martin va.
Madam va.
Martin va.
Madam va.
Fiskerma.
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 Eichva.
Oichemva.
Eiche.
Oicheva. Where are you from?
Kuasahashiv.
Huastahashiv.
Hamia Alapa. Ku as aha she. Hami.
Hami.
Alapa.
Brazil?
Hami as.
Thank you.
Tahbelieve.
Tahbelieve.
Tahba.
Tapa. Leave.
Kiet tang.
Kietang.
Kiet
Kiet.
tang.
Tang.
Share a bear.
Scherber. She.
Bear.
Er. Berge. Scherberge. Now I'm gonna try the Scottish accent in English.
Dougal and the others will be waiting further up the stream. We should go.
I'm not going with you.
Yes, you are.
What? Are you going to cut my throat if I don't?
I know. But you don't look that heavy. Now, if you won't walk, I shall pick you up and throw you over my shoulder. Do you want me to do that?
No.
Well then, I suppose that means you're coming with me.
I suppose that means you're coming with me. This is so beautiful. I love how he talks with doing this ups and downs, and you know, I love his character. He's cute, he's sensitive, but at the same time, he knows how to fight because he's a soldier, and of course, he's handsome. It's the perfect combination, right? There's memes that says that Jamie Fraser is so boyfriend material. I so agree with that. I love how he says Claire, Claire, Sassenach. I'm mixing all the languages. I like how you say yes with I. It's so cute. I don't know how many times I've said cute in this video. I think now when people ask me something and I'll go answer, I'm gonna substitute our yes. We say sing to I. No one's gonna get it, but I don't care. If someone goes like, do you like pizza?
Oh, am I doing the accent? I wasn't intending to. Do you like pizza?
Do you like pizza? Aye. Do you like rock and roll? Aye. I really want to go to Scotland. Let me put on my glasses so I can read properly. There's so many things that are cool in Scotland. There are around 300 castles in Scotland. Scotland is all about mythical creatures. The local folklore is washed with stories of elves, spirits, fairies, ghosts, monsters, goblins, and mythical beasts, giants, etc. I love this kind of stuff. Oh, look at that. I don't know how to pronounce it. Dunotar Castle, Stonehaven. This must be magical. Located atop a cliff with crashing waves below, all this castle needs to up the creep factor is a thundery downpour at midnight. The castle is said to be haunted by a green lady who is forever searching for her lost children. Oh my god. What happened to Craig Ferguson? I loved his show. The Late Show? The Late Late Show with Craig Ferguson? It was so funny. Why Why did they cancel it? I don't know. They always cancel good stuff. Okay guys, I think that's enough for today. I had a great time recording this video. I really liked it. I love the language. And if you liked it, I could do another videos doing this kind of stuff with another countries and other languages. If there's any Scottish watching this video, I just want to let you know that your accent is so cute. Okay, I know I said it 100 times in this video. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, even though I always speak in Portuguese and I'm always doing makeup tutorials. But I really enjoy doing this video and I hope I can record more. Oh, okay, how we say goodbye in Gaelic? Can I find it? Okay, I can't find how to say goodbye, but I found how to say I love you. So I'm gonna try. Ha gul agam orst. Ha gul agam orst. Okay, that was pretty good, right? Ha gul agam orst. Okay, bye.